Hello students, in today's lecture we will learn array. An array is defined as the collection of similar type of data items stored at contiguous memory location. For example, if we want to store the marks of a student in three subjects, then we don't need to define three different variables to store marks in three subjects. Instead of that, we can define an array which can store the marks in three subjects at the contiguous memory location. Declaration of array. We can declare an array in the following ways: data type, array name, and in square brackets, array size. For example, we have declared an integer array marks of size 3. So we can store marks in three subjects at a contiguous memory location. Index 0, 80 is stored. Index 1, 60 is stored. And in index 2, 70 is stored. Initialization of array. Array elements can be initialized using the index. We can create an array of marks which can store marks in three subjects. So we can initialize array like at index 0, 80 is stored. At index 1, 60 is stored. And at index 2, 70 is stored. Program 1. In a main function, we have declared an integer array marks of size 3. We have also declared an integer variable I, which is initialized with value 0. Now we have initialized array. At index 0, 80 is stored. At index 1, 60 is stored. And at index 2, 70 is stored. Now, using for loop, we can print the elements of array marks. And our program ends here. Here is the output 80, 60, 70. Declaration with initialization. We can initialize array at the time of declaration. For example, int marks and in square bracket 3 equal to and in curly braces 80, 60, 70. So in such case, there is no requirement to define the size of array. So we can write int marks and empty square brackets equal to and in curly braces 80, 60, 70. Program 2. In a main function, we have declared and initialized integer array marks. Marks and in square brackets 3 equal to and in curly braces 80, 60, and 70. Now, using for loop, we can print the elements of array marks. At index 0, 80 is present. So, 80 is printed. At index 1, 60 is present. So, 60 is printed. At index 2, 70 is present. So, 70 is printed. And our program ends here. Here is the output 80, 60, 70. So we end our lecture today. Thank you.